Hi everyone, today I am going to share the step-by-step process in creating this beautiful infographic slide. We often have a lot of content. This infographic will be suitable for that. You can fit your content, but still the slide will look clean and professional. So here I have gathered the basic elements for the design. Like for the text color, we are using those two color. For the graphics, we are using those three color. For the header font, we are using Monostrate. For the body font, we are using Open Sans. So here are the icons that I am going to use for the infographics. I have downloaded them from Flat Icon. I will provide the link in the description. So let's start the design. Here I have placed the colors on the left side of the slide. Let's take a circular shape. The size should be 4.51. Let's log the aspect ratio. 4.51. Okay. Let's remove the outline. Let's duplicate this circle using Ctrl on the keyboard. Now make the size of the second circle 2.78. Let's just give it a different color. Now place it in the middle of the bigger circle. Make sure it's positioned correctly. It should be in the middle of the bigger circle. Okay. Now let's fragment this circle. Now we have a hole in the circle. This circle is 360 degree, right? We need to divide this circle into 3 parts. Then we need to divide each part into 5 smaller parts. The circle is 360 degree. We need to divide this into 3 parts. So let's divide the 360 by 3. We will get 120 in each segment. Okay. Now as we have to divide each segment into 5 smaller parts, so we need to divide this by 5. We get 24. So every segment will be 24 degree. Let's take another rectangular shape and make it like 0.02 width. Height can be 5. It is not that important. No outline. The circle is not in the middle of the slide. We need to make it middle of the slide. Okay. Now place this line in the middle of the circle. Make a duplicate of this line. Align it in the center. Now rotate this to 24 degree. Okay. So now you are seeing why I have done this calculation. Okay. Now again duplicate this line and align it to the center and middle. Okay. Now rotate this line to 48 degree. Okay. Here we get all those value by just adding 24 in each segment. Like 24 plus 24 is 48. 48 plus 24 is 72. 72 plus 24 is 96. I got all those numbers by just adding 24. Make a duplicate again. Align this to center and align middle, and then rotate to 72 degree. Okay, same things again, align center, align middle, and then it should be just 96 degree rotation. Again, just copy and align its center, align the middle, rotate to 120 degree. Okay, let's select those 5 lines and make them shorter, like 2 inches. Now select the circle, then fragment. Let's remove those unnecessary lines. Removing those lines one by one. Okay. Now same things here. Let's duplicate this line and align this center, middle. Let's rotate this 144. Same way, let's align this line to the middle. Now rotate this line to the next stop, that is 168. Again, duplicate and then align center and then rotate to our next stop, that is 192. Align this center, then rotate this to 216. Okay. Let's change this color. Again, copy, align in the middle, rotate this to 240 degree. Done. Let's select those lines. Don't select the middle line, and then make them shorter, like 2, and then select the circle and make it fragment. Okay. Let's remove those unnecessary lines. Let's copy the line again, align it in the center and rotate this to 264 degree. Okay. Let's copy again, align it to the center, rotate this line to 288 degree. Let's align it in the center, then rotate this to 312. Copy again, align center, rotate this to 336, and now we don't need to copy, just rotate this to 360 degree. It should be in the same place. Okay, now select all of the lines including the middle one, make it shorter like 2 inches. Okay, now select the circle and fragment. Now I think we have 15 segments. Let's color them. 5 in the each segment. Let's insert a partial circle. The size should be, first let's log the aspect ratio. The size should be 2.69. Let's remove the outline, we don't need this. This partial circle should be should also left some spaces around it. Okay. Let's group this, excluding this partial circle. Let's make a copy. Let's change the color of this partial circle just for better understanding. We will just keep top of this circle. Let's come to this point. But this point does not have any space, so we need to make little bit of space here. Yeah. Let's duplicate this partial circle again and change the color. Let's just place those partial circles so that there is space in between them. I think it's better now. Now change this to similar color. You can always use eye drop to pick the color from the shape. Let's move to the next part of this infographics. Let's insert a smaller circle. No outline. Log the aspect ratio. The size should be 0.32. Let's place number here. The text is not fitting here. Let's fix that. Let's remove this left margin and right margin, then the text will fit. Make the text bigger and make it bold. Now as I am going to place this here, So I need a contrast color. For this circle I will use shadow. It should be like 85%, 100, 3, 90 and distance is 1. Okay. Yeah, I think this looks good. Now let's just copy those for all of the circles. I am fast forwarding this as I am doing the same things here. For those circle, I am using this color. For those circle, I am using little bit contrast color, that is all. For those shape, I am using this color. Let's take a circle, no fill, and make the size to 5.05. Now we can place text around this circle. This is the dummy text. I am using the text color, this one. Okay. Now remove this circle. For the middle part, we will need 3 text. For the top part, we will need this text. Now we need to place icons. Here are the icons. Let's place them one by one. I am fast forwarding this as I am doing, just placing the icons. I will make those icons white so they are perfectly visible. Now I think it looks great. Let's start animating all of those elements. There are different types of animation, but for this one I will choose whip. I will make this one by word. Okay. I think duration is good. I'll just make it after previous. Okay. We can group some of the elements if we want them to appear together. I would prefer to appear this middle part together. So let's group them together. For this part, I will also group those 3 elements together. For the keyboard shortcut, you can press Ctrl plus G. Select all 3, then Ctrl G. I am fast forwarding as I am doing the same thing. That's all. I think I don't need to group anything. Let's start animating. For the middle part, I will use basic zoom, okay? And I will set it to like in slightly. I'll set it like after previous. For this part, I can also use same animation, that is basic zoom, and let's make it in slightly. Let's make it after previous. Duration will be same. For this text, I will use float in animation, and I will change the duration to 0.75. Okay, it should appear with previous okay. I will just duplicate the same animation for rest of these elements, and to duplicate this same animation we can use animation painter. First, select the shape that you have already animated, then click on the animation painter, and then click on the shape that you want to animate. Okay, I am doing the same thing for the text also. Again, I am doing the same thing. Just finished duplicating the animation for all of the elements. Let's play and see how it looks. I have included the download link of this infographics in the description. You can download it from there, or you can download the full template from our website. You will get different color variations of the same template. You can download the template as Google Slides theme or PowerPoint template. Feel free to check that out.